Alrighty guys, welcome back to Everything Off-Road, and as you guys can see, we have DT connectors, and these were $4 on Amazon. They have the waterproof seal on there. I don't know if they're 100% waterproof. As you guys can see, this is one installed on the Big Red with the Nightlight 6.5-inch bar and the Nightlight 6.5-inch bar on the 250 EX. I would definitely buy this kit again. You have 1 pin, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 pin. You have the waterproof seals for the wires. You have the male and female connectors, and then it came with fuses. For $4, this is such a good deal if you're doing any wiring work. They just make your wiring look a lot more professional. I did put dielectric grease in them, so if any water does get in, it's gonna protect the connectors as much as possible. In the reviews of this kit, I heard some complaints of it being too hard to assemble. It's really not. Female plug takes the male pins, and then the male plug takes the female pins. It's not that hard to figure out, and then you have these like locking clips that pretty much like lock the things together. It's a really good kit. I'll definitely buy it again. But anyways guys, catch you guys on the next one. Peace.